In today's world, people spend most of their time with their phones, and mobile phones fulfill all the daily needs of people. Considering the price you pay, you expect the highest performance from this device. But unfortunately, the thing that annoys the people while using mobile phones is overheating of the mobile phone. Therefore, in this video, I will discuss about the most common mistakes that often we do with our mobile. One of the things that can protect your mobile phone from falling and impact is its frame. Some cases unfortunately are not suitable for phones because they hinder air circulation. It's recommended that you can remove the case of your phone while it gets hot, and also it's recommended that you can remove the phone case while charging. Often we put all of our electronic devices such as mobile phones, tablets or laptops in one place. If one of these electronic devices get heat, due to the proximity of devices to each other, this heat can transfer and can raise the temperature of all devices. In these cases, I suggest that placing a space between electronic devices for air circulation. When the weather is too hot and you put your mobile phone into your pocket, your body heat adds to the heat of the air and it can cause your mobile phone to heat up. In this case, I recommend that you can take out your mobile phone from your pocket once in a while and put it in a cool place so that its temperature does not rise due to air circulation. It's recommended that you can disable some apps like unnecessary uploads or programs that are running in the background of your mobile phone when your mobile phone gets hot. Putting your mobile phone where the air is too hot or where it's not proper air circulation are not the only reason that your mobile phone gets hot. But there is one trick that you should pay attention to the internal programs of your phone. This point is obvious, but it happens the most among the events. It may happen to you that on hot days you put your mobile phones in the car or you use it in direct sunlight. Also, when you go to a nature trip, you put your mobile phone in the table, or while driving you put your mobile phones on the dashboard of the car, and at the same time you use its route finder program. In these cases, your mobile phone will get so hot faster, and it's better to place your phone where the air is not too hot and where is not direct sunlight.